If you own a 1963 to 1966 C10 and you don't have power steering, then you definitely need to check out the Classic Performance Products Power Steering Conversion Kit. The Classic Performance Products Kit is going to include their 500 series power steering box, which is pretty cool because it'll allow you to be able to bolt up to the original factory steering column that's inside of your 63 to 66 C10. Besides the kit including the new 500 series power steering gearbox, it's also going to include a new power steering pump, reservoir, rag joint, pump and gearbox mounting brackets, hose kit, and all the required mounting hardware to be able to bolt this up to your truck. So if you're looking to improve the handling or the drivability of your 63 to 66 C10, I highly advise to pick up one of these kits. It's going to be one of the easiest ones to install and the best for your budget.